Interpreting the technical specifications for the Bosch Rexroth DKS Intelligent Digital Servo Drives. This unit has a rated current of 100 amps. The continuous current is 50 amps. It has a 3-phase connection. The internal bus DC voltage is 300 volts. It has a max operating temperature of 55 degrees Celsius. It is designed to be used with Rexroth MDD motors. The PMW frequency is 4 kHz. The bleeder has a peak power of 18 kilowatts. It weighs 11 kilograms. It has an IP10 protection rating. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth servo drive sales and replacements.